Hey guys, you know what? Today is my favorite brand, Plum Goodness's happy birthday. So, wishing you a very happy Plum Goodness. I'm super excited as Plum have sent me freebies on their birthday. I'm excited to show you on just a minute. These are the freebies they have sent me on their birthday. We'll show you one by one, okay? It's a body mist by Plum in the flavor of smoke and vanilla. Yeah, body loving. It's a vitamin C serum by Plum which have 15% of vitamin C and mandarin. There you glow. Yes, my favorite. Mwah. It's a highlighter by Plum Goodness. We'll just use it and get ready with you all only for our dearest Plum's happy birthday. They are celebrating their birthday with all of us, their customers, and they are giving huge discount 50% on their website. So just go and grab some makeup and skincare for you. Not only that, go and check out my description box. You will get my coupon code which you can use and get 10% more off extra veganza for my followers. Oh my god. Hey you, if you don't know about Plum Goodness, then I would just like to introduce a little that Plum produces skincare, hair care and makeup for all of us, and it is the first brand which is 100% vegan from India. So it's precious, isn't it? All the Plum products are 100% vegan, silicone free, paraben free, all toxic chemicals free. It heals you naturally. Hey guys, now I would just like to test and show you this body mist which is in smoke and vanilla flavor, and it's a range from Plum. The range name is Body Lovin'. You can go and check it out. This mild and loving fragrance. Aha. It's a smart and sturdy bottle with this lid. I would just like to take the opportunity to use it and pamper myself with Plum Body Lovin' Body Mist Smoking Vanilla. Hey. Aha. 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 And here it is. ये सौंधी सौंधी महंगी महंगी खुशबू. भाई प्लम का बर्थडे हो और हम उसकी तैयारी ना करें, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I have used this vitamin C face serum from last 10 days and boost my glow. ये रही इसकी प्यारी सी बॉटल जिसने फ्रॉस्टेड है एंड प्यारा सा अच्छे से टैगिंग किया हुआ है. एंड दिस ड्रॉपर. aha. Oh my, what a plumpy skin. Look at the texture at my hands. Yes guys, actually this serum has 15% of vitamin C and it has a special ingredients mandarin. Both of them mix, and then this serum boosts the glow of our faces. So what are you looking for? Just go shop and glow. Its important ingredients are aqua, kakaru plum, vitamin C, rose extract and mandarin. So hey, here our turn. There you glow. This is a highlighter by Plum. Again, not using chemicals, toxic chemicals. Again, not using animal derived extracts. Again, using 100% vegan. So just get and glow, baby. Go to the website and enjoy shopping. Shade number 24 and Miracle Bronze. This is the highlighter. After all, it's Plum's birthday, so we have to glow, Anna. I'd like to show you the small cute packaging. Just open it, and sturdy one. Here it is. Let's use it. I would just like to give you a swatch also here. Aha, look at this. It will glow like this. Oh, nice color. Oh my god, here I am glowing with the highlighter from Plum. So guys, here I am adding the special coupon code for you all, and just add this coupon code while checking out. After discount it will be applicable, so go and enjoy shopping at Plum Goodness. Out the description box, there I'll add the website link, my favorite products link, and you can just click away and go to the Plum Goodness website and add it to the cart, get the discount, apply this coupon code and enjoy shopping. Grab it, you will get it, enjoy the products. Plum always surprises us with the different range of products, and this time Plum has came up with baby products. So pamper your babies with Plum Goodness. And the sale dates are 30 June to 6 July. So go and fatapat shop your favorite items. And they are giving at least 9 products on all the orders above 2000 rupees. So what are you getting from this huge Plum sale? Just comment it down below and I'll see what you like. Use my coupon code HBDPLUM in capital letters and get 10% additional off on your cart.